Woodworking has been an ancient task for a long time, just like other important crafts. Woodworkers are functional artists for making wooden materials. As a carpenter, you have to use effective woodworking tools that make your working experience more productive. There are many products available to choose best woodworking tools, each with different characteristics, benefits and price. To help you make an informed decision, I found these products much helpful for people like. If you know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. DeWalt DCP580B20V Max Brushless Planer. DeWalt's DCP580B20V Max Brushless Planer is a powerful and versatile tool that can tackle a variety of woodworking and carpentry jobs. With a brushless motor that provides more power and runtime than a traditional brushed motor, this planer can handle even the most challenging projects. The hand planer, featuring 30,000 cuts per minute, achieves a fast removal rate. Basically, the kickstand allows the user to rest the planer on the work surface without gouging the material. Precision machined groove in front shoe allows for edge chamfering. Poly V-drive belt provides increased belt durability. The ergonomically designed handle provides greater comfort and less user fatigue. Whether you're a professional woodworker or a weekendier, the DeWalt DCP580B20V Max Brushless Planer is a perfect tool you can rely on to get the job done right. Number 2. Ryobi Cordless Orbital Jigsaw. This is one of the best jigsaws of power tools, and it is designed to cut curves and circular patterns. It's also a handy tool for cutting holes and trimming lumber to length. The higher setting of the tool makes cutting into the wood. These higher settings are ideal for making straight cuts into lumber, and lower settings for making curves or cutting into metal. A built-in dust blower is another useful feature of this tool. This feature on the tool will help you clear debris away from your work, giving you a clear vision. Blade-saving base is another vital feature of this jigsaw tool. If your jigsaw blade is wearing out, you can drop the base of the tool to let you utilize the unused blades on your tool, improving the longevity of your accessories. Another feature of this power tool is the trigger lock system. Pull the trigger and press the button on the side of the unit. With this feature, you can focus all of your energy on controlling your cuts the way you want to do. Number 3. Bosch ROS20 VSC Palm Sander. Certainly, this is the best sander for home projects that can be safely used on furniture making and finishing tasks. Moreover, the tool dimension is 9x5x6 inches with a weight of 3.5 pounds. Further, this orbital sander tool is lightweight and ergonomic, and the available color is blue. Certainly, easy disc attachment is an effective feature of this tool. Through Bosch's signature hook and loop disc attachment system, sanding pads stick to the hand sander, acting like a Velcro adhesion material. Further, this sander includes a sanding pad, sanding disc, dampening ring, dust canister, vacuum adapter, and soft carrying bag. Another nice feature of this tool is its smooth finish. It also features a microfilter system for fine dust and trapping particles as small as a half micron in diameter. Durable and compact dust canister shows dust level and easily detaches for mess-free tasks. Number 4. Keter Folding Work Table. This is an excellent working table for doing stunning wooden work and very easy to assemble with a unique quick opening and folding system for easy storage and portability. Moreover, it can be folded down to 4.4 inches thick for easy storage in a pinch. It's perfect for any kind of project such as home improvement, commercial construction work, painting, table saw use, etc. With the lightweight design and sturdy carrying handle of this table, carry your workbench just about anywhere. The dimension is 33.46 in. LX 21.65 in. WX 29.75 in. H folded. 33.46 in. LX 21.65 in. WX 4.4 in. H. Moreover, it's made of heavy-duty resin with aluminum legs and a workspace capacity of 1,000 pounds. Further, it's durable and strong with weather-resistant polypropylene construction that prevents rusting, peeling, and denting. Number 5. Craftsman Single Bevel Folding Compound Miter Saw. This is a potential miter saw of renowned brand Craftsman, which is electrically powered. This innovative folding head miter saw from Craftsman provides accurate cutting for framing and molding projects. Certainly, the innovative folding head design allows for a compact size for storage and transportation very conveniently. No extra tools are required to fold this incredible machine. The package dimension of this product is 23.2 x 22.2 x 9.5 inches, and the weight is 28 pounds. Included support base provides a platform for storage of saw, also provides additional support for long workpieces during the operation. It contains a miter saw, support base, carbide saw blade, blade wrench, material clamp, dust bag. Tool-less adjustable front-mounted laser guide for improved cutting accuracy, which made this tool an efficient one.
That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you wants to know product price to check out of my description for any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay update with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.